Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing the recommended way of publishing a non-packaged WinUI 3-app PUT. As developers, we're always looking for ways to share our applications with users, and publishing is an essential step in that process. However, when it comes to non-packaged WinUI 3 apps, things can get a bit tricky. In this video, we'll explore the best practices for publishing these types of apps, so you can ensure your users have a seamless experience. So, what exactly is a non-packaged WinUI 3 app? Simply put, it's an application that doesn't use the Microsoft Store packaging process. This means you're responsible for managing the installation and updates yourself. While this gives you more control over the deployment process, it also requires more effort on your part. When publishing a non-packaged WinUI 3 app, there are several things to consider. First and foremost, you'll need to decide on a distribution method. This could be through a website, email, or even a custom installer. Regardless of which method you choose, you'll need to ensure that the installation process is smooth and hassle-free for your users. One approach is to use a tool like Setup or Advanced Installer. These tools allow you to create a custom installer that can handle the installation and updating of your app. They also provide features like compression, encryption, and version checking, which can help protect your intellectual property and ensure that users have the latest version of your app. Another important consideration is how you'll handle updates. Since non-packaged apps don't use the Microsoft Store's automatic update feature, you'll need to implement your own update mechanism. This could involve using a service like Windows Update, or creating a custom solution that checks for updates and prompts the user to install them. To make things easier for yourself and your users, it's also a good idea to create an uninstaller. This will allow users to easily remove your app from their system if they no longer need it. Not only is this a good practice, but it's also required by Microsoft if you want to distribute your app through the Microsoft Store. So, what are from our discussion on publishing non-packaged WinUI 3 apps first? Consider using a tool like Setup or Advanced Installer to create a custom installer. This will help ensure that the installation process is smooth and hassle-free for your users. Second, implement a mechanism for handling updates, such as using Windows Update or creating a custom solution. Finally, create an uninstaller to allow users to easily remove your app from their system. That's it for today's video on publishing non-packaged WinUI 3 apps. Hey, we hope you found the information helpful in planning and implementing your own deployment strategy. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on developing with WinUI 3. Thanks for watching.